G'day everyone. Allow me to introduce Tigger. What else do you call a bright orange and black Jeep? And this is Eyeore, the perfect companion. Despite his compact size, Eyeore has got some great functionality. Primarily, he's a tent on wheels, but he has a functional kitchen, reasonable water storage and some great storage ideas. However, his electrical systems are fairly basic, and I've noticed over the past few months that they're starting to degrade. We're finding that batteries are no longer accepting a charge and their capacity is getting less and less. Now, the easiest option would be to simply replace them like for like, but it's only going to give me what I've already got. And here's the challenge. My wife and I now want to start enjoying a few more creature comforts. What I thought I'd do is actually take you through the process that I've gone through to make some upgrades in this particular project to give Eyeore better performance, more reliable power and greater functionality, and share with you some of those ideas that might help you with your own RV, camper trailer or caravan. The heart of your electrical system is actually the batteries. You see, these guys are responsible for powering all your accessories. That could be a fridge, camp lighting, or maybe even a water pump to have a shower. Now, how efficiently you use the power in these batteries and your capability to recharge them relatively quickly is going to have a direct impact on how much you enjoy your camping holiday. Eyeore was actually fitted with AGM batteries. Now, despite the fact that this battery is 100 amp hour capacity, I can only use roughly 50% of the battery before I run the risk of damaging the battery. So with only 50 amp hours available to me, it's not enough for me to be able to run my fridge, my lights, charge up any camera batteries, mobile phone, or even run the water pump to have a hot shower. So under those circumstances, I have no option. I have to install 2 heavy AGM batteries to actually give me the power requirements that I'm going to need. Now, here's the other problem with an AGM battery. The style of technology it is, they are extremely heavy. When we talk about these 2 batteries, they're 26 kilos each. That's over 50 kilos of dead weight and carrying capacity that I'm losing for a small trailer like Eyeore. I'm going to swap out these old batteries for new lithium technology from iTechworld. For starters, how does saving 30 kilos sound? My 2 new X Pro Series 120 amp hour lithium batteries have a revised battery management system that accepts an AGM charging algorithm, meaning you can literally use them as a drop-in replacement for your existing system. More importantly, lithium batteries have far more usable capacity thanks to their depth of discharge in comparison to any normal AGM, and they can be drained and recharged many more times than an AGM without risk of damage. I'm actually figuring that with twice the power, half the weight, plus much longer usable life, the extra cost up front of the lithium is actually a good investment. And with an IP67 rating, you won't have any problems with dust or moisture. So how tough are these new 120X Pro Series batteries? Well, iTechworld are confident enough to offer you a full 5-year warranty. Simply by adding the 2 new iTech X Pro Series batteries, it's going to make a significant difference to Eyeore's capability. Now next week, I'm going to take you through the additional components that we're going to add to these batteries to make sure that we get the absolute best performance out of our brand new system.